So what's this place called, Ralph?
This is a new open resort. It's called, I saw it in Facebook, CA Familia.
CA Familia.
CA Familia.
Let's go and have a look. It looks beautiful.
Yeah, it's very beautiful for your friend.
Chris, it's called
Za.
ZA Sa Familia.
ZA.
It's,
Za.
it's
Za
located,
Familia.
It's located, Chris, at Panicuason
Panicuason
Naga.
So it's, again guys, it's 25 minutes away from Naga. You need some options. When you come to Naga, you need some options.
Later.
Where?
You're gonna...
What's that?
I don't know.
Convention. I think it's like a convention.
I think they're going to show us round, which is pretty unusual, because normally when you want to promote a place, they don't want you to promote it. It's like,
we also ask them how much to...
yeah, to come in, right? You've not asked them yet. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh my God. Oh, we're coming here. Next time we're coming here.
I love it.
It's beautiful. Look, they've got chalets so you can stay overnight. My God, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Now, I know I use the word beautiful a lot. Yeah. Guys, look at it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. This is, I mean, 25 minutes away from where we live. This has got to be my favorite straight away. It's beautiful. And if we can get the people who own this some more customers, I'm going to be very, very excited.
There's no chlorine.
Well, it smells like there's chlorine.
Here?
Yeah, because if there isn't, it wouldn't be this colour.
But I smell fresh. There's no chlorine.
No, there's chlorine. I can smell it.
Look, smell.
I can smell it. I don't need to smell it out your hand, mate. I can smell chlorine. This is amazing. It's beautiful. I'm going to bring my kids here. Look, I'm going to treat you and your wife and your son, and we're going to bring Ronald here. This is where we're going to come. This is beautiful. You can stay overnight. Look, guys.
Yes, I think you can stay here overnight.
Yeah.
They have
So we
room.
need to know prices, Ralph.
Yes, I asked. Yeah.
They had rooms too over there.
Yes, a lot of rooms here.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, Chris.
Yeah.
I think.
Let's ask these. Did they love it?
They had a live band. Also for the
Ay, ate, excuse me po. Pwede po kami maghapot? Sa iling window, mag-inog di? You think you love it, your place?
You come again?
You can come again
Oh,
here.
you love it? Huh? Is this the first time?
This is the first time here.
First time? You love it? Oh, cool.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ate. Salamat po.
They had also live band Kuya Chris.
Yeah,
Maybe
live band
sometimes we
stand,
have
look.
a live band here.
Oh my God, guys.
They had
This,
live band.
there's so many gems around Naga that we don't even know about, and we're just finding them out now. So when you come to Naga and you say, Chris, can you recommend? Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh, very nice. You come to Naga and it's your first time, you say, Chris, can you recommend a resort? How can I not recommend this? I'm going to treat Ralph
Oh, it's very beautiful.
and Melissa to coming here, and I'm going to bring my kids. This is amazing. It's absolutely amazing, guys. Let me have a look up here. Cottage 2. So we'll find out how much it costs for a cottage overnight. We'll tell you how much it costs to have one of these chalets, whatever they're called.
Chris, we asked from the office how much cost the rate here, the rooms.
Right.
The-
So what we need to know is how much is the entry fee?
Yes, entry
Right.
and the rooms.
Then how much is the
cottage.
Cottage. How much is this? How much is overnight?
Yes. We're gonna ask it. Pwede ka luluto? He said that we can ask to their office.
Okay.
All the
okay.
information.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Look at this, guys. I mean, look. I know that I use the word beautiful a lot, but this is amazing. This is so amazing. Look at this. Look. Look. There's a balcony to have a drink and whatever. I would have no problem bringing a foreigner here.
Stay here 24 hours. Maybe if you pay for 1 week, it's okay.
It's okay. You can
Yes.
pay for the week.
Yes,
Oh.
it's 24 hours na.
Cool.
Any 24 hours in room na.
Up and down yan.
Okay. Muga pa ka mo mas bara-bara ko.
1-4. Pero.
They have a 1-4.
Cheaper one.
Cheaper one.
na room. They have a cheaper.
What would this be for an overnight?
Overnight lang po yun.
Kaya ba ka natulungan na kapag daw gabi?
Gabos na. When you rent this one
For 24 hours.
for 24 hours, it's almost 5,000 all of
For everything.
For everything.
Right. So if I rent that for a day and overnight, I get here at, like, for example, 8 o'clock
yes.
to the next day 8
24
o'clock.
hours. 24
Yeah?
hours. Yes, 24.
Oh, okay.
You can get everything here.
Oh, that's cheap. It's cheap, guys. It's cheap. That's not a lot to a foreigner. Oh, this is amazing. Look how beautiful this is. What?
It feels so safe here.
Well, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. It's beautiful. Look, they've got a little sari store. You can get booze. You can get chips, sodas,
Also, this aircon.
aircon. Oh, no. Hey, guys, do you want me to treat you here?
Yes.
Yes?
Of course.
Okay,
So let's look, the toilet is very
Very
clean.
clean.
let's do
We
it.
have internet too.
Let's have a look at the toilets, guys. Toilet. This is male. This is male. Let's have a look. Look. Smell-o-vision. The toilets are perfectly clean. It's beautiful. Guys, I'm not joking. This, I can highly recommend this place. I'm getting nothing from it. I love recommending Naga businesses. Not a lot of Naga businesses want me to recommend them for some reason, I don't know, but
Maybe this Chris is a convention hall.
yeah.
For some parties or events, weddings.
Weddings,
Oh, it's beautiful.
parties.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Beautiful.
Nasaan na to?
Ako dyan sa may sarong room.
Sa'yo di boss itong medyo cheaper, medyo barato nitong room. Ang pattern cheap di boss mga ano rin.
Umbrella, may umbrella. They also had umbrella, Kuya Chris?
Ayan.
Umbrella cottage.
Yeah,
If you want a cheaper one too.
It's beautiful. Really, really. We're coming here. Next time we're coming here.
You can
You want to play basketball? All right, good.
Oh,
This rate here is 1,000.
Kuya Chris, look.
1,400.
Oh, very beautiful, Kuya Chris.
Very beautiful.
Very nice.
Diba?
They had, Kuya Chris, oh.
Ano yan, boss?
Top C.
Ilang oras?
It's like a restaurant.
Chris, 24 hours.
Hmm?
Yes. Pwede boss makahilig.
That's cheap. 1,400 for 24 hours,
You
guys.
can see the inside.
Do it in dollars. Do it in pounds.
Maybe
and see
it's
what it is.
almost, Chris, it's almost, if you do it in dollars, $1, how many you think?
A dollar's like 56 pesos.
$100 is almost 5,000.
I like, Kuya Chris, I like
It increased $20.
We are doing this, guys, just for you. If you come to Naga and you want to get to a nice resort, blah blah blah. I don't want to recommend a resort and you go there and you say, oh my, that was crap. I mean, why? No, this is beautiful. I'm telling you now, this is beautiful. Well, you can see it, can't you? You can see it.
Chris, you can get inside so that you can
Yeah,
look the
let's
room.
have a look. Let's have a look at the room.
This is the one.
Look at this. And it smells absolutely beautiful, guys. It doesn't smell, I'm not joking. It smells really nice, really nice. Oh my God, perfectly clean, hot shower. Now you can stay here and just relax, take it easy. Oh my God. God, I'm so pleased we found so many different places. It's beautiful. Ate, beautiful. Beautiful.
Pwede po ito.
Love it. Beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
No, so, you're gonna get some foreigners here now.
Oh my God.
Pwede po pwede.
I have 26,500.
We can interview her about the rate, about the entrance, all the rooms, about the cottage, about the convenience.
So, if a foreigner comes here, well, if anybody comes here, what is the entry fee?
150 pesos po.
150
Per head.
pesos an adult. What
Adult.
about a child?
80 pesos po.
80.
Age 3 to 9.
Right.
Senior
So,
citizen, PWD, 80 pesos.
right. So, if I come here, say 8 o'clock, and I say I want 24 hours, what will it cost?
1 per po. Check-in time.
1,400. So if I check in at 8 o'clock, I
No
check
po.
out at 8 o'clock.
Check-in time 2 p.m.
2 p.m. in the afternoon.
Yes po.
I check out at 2 p.m. in the
12
afternoon.
noon.
12
The
noon.
other day.
That's outrageous. No, joke like, joke like. Yeah.
How about the other like this
Cabana.
cabana? How much the people can be there and how the
Good for
cost?
10.
Good
Good,
for
good for 10 packs po.
the big
The
one.
big one.
Is 10 person.
Good for
Ah,
Good
10
for 10.
person.
How
right.
much?
5,000.
It's
Inclusive na
5,000.
po ang 5%.
Right. Okay.
How about the food stay? Available all the foods here? Can we order?
Much better po may
We bring?
much better.
So what about alcohol? Is alcohol okay? Right? Do you sell alcohol?
Yes.
Right.
We have store out there.
Right.
But the
Okay.
foods is not available here.
Silog meals.
You
We
need to
offer-
bring.
It's best if you bring your own food.
It's the best.
Okay. Okay.
But Chris, when I'm observing all the stuff here, it's so nice and
It's
kind.
beautiful. It's
Beautiful. Because I don't know why some we go, they didn't allow to
Overseas.
to vlog or to video the place. I don't know. But
well, these people are intelligent. They're getting
Yes.
free publicity
publicity.
for nothing,
Yes.
right? And if
So that
foreigners ask me, they say, Chris, do you know a good resort? And it's like, well, I got rejected on that resort, so I'm not going to recommend that resort.
Yes.
And then I didn't get rejected on this resort, but this resort's beautiful.
Thank you.
It's very, very, no, I'm serious. It's very beautiful, and the prices are reasonable. They're not, you know,
They are all friendly, Kuya Chris.
yeah,
Yes.
Yeah.
We better stay here.
yeah. So,
Falanas are friendly.
Yes.
so when a foreigner wants to go to a resort, I will recommend
please,
it.
if you want a second honeymoon here,
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Not
Thank
me,
you so much.
Not me, Kuya Chris, not me.
Oh,
Ralph will be.
what about you? Joke lang.
joke lang, ate. You're so kind.
No, thank you very much, Ate. Thank you. I will definitely recommend this place. It's beautiful. It really is. You've done an
many
incredible
months,
job.
Did you operate here? I think Chris, I think ate, I saw it in Facebook. It's not it's just newly
Tagalog,
open.
Bicolan mo lang yung si ate.
No, a lot of have a foreigner so that they
Mag 1 month
that.
pa lang po bukas.
They said, Chris, it's almost 1 month they operate, newly open.
Newly
Yeah,
open.
it looks, it's all fresh. It's
Yes.
beautiful.
Beautiful.
I've got an American friend coming soon. I'm gonna bring him here. I'm gonna bring him here.
May maabot kaya sa baka sa 50.
Yeah.
Sorry, 2 American friends. I'm gonna bring them here. This is beautiful. I'm gonna treat you here. I will pay.
Pero po sir, nag-ano po kami ng early reservation.
They need, Chris, if you want to come here, they need an early reservation.
Why is everywhere full?
No, sometimes, look like this.
No
if you
monitor.
just go here that they're not, maybe all of rooms here is full.
Is
So that if you go here, you need to reserve it so that if you
but they've
come
only
here-
been. I'm not being funny. They've only been open like 1 month, and it might be all full.
No.
Mostly
Maybe
weekdays na.
No, yes, weekdays.
Weekdays po yung
So that Chris,
Weekdays?
yes,
Not weekends.
Weekends.
Ah, okay.
So that if you want to come here, and surely that you can rent one of these, you just early reservation.
So Ate, what's your name?
Mayan po.
Ano daw?
It's so beautiful, Chris.
Marian. Mayan.
Marianne. That's
Mayan for short.
beautiful name. And are you a manager?
No, I'm not a manager.
What are you then?
Stop.
Stuff.
Just
One of-
staff line? Oh,
Hopefully you can be
hopefully
a
you can be a manager soon.
because you're
Okay.
so kind and you are so
So if the owners are listening, I want her to be a manager because she's so beautiful and
Yes,
she's
because
so
entertaining and
kind, and yes, she's so good. So if you can make her a manager soon, thank you very much. So to the owners, I will now recommend this resort to any foreigner that comes to Naga. I've got 2 foreigners that's coming. I'm going to bring them here in the next 11 days, and I'm going to treat you.
here.
No, joke line. You pay for yourself. I'm gonna bring the foreigners here, and I'm gonna bring you here, and I'll pay.
Just for free.
It's alright.
I don't want.
If we come back here, hopefully we gonna see you again.
No, we will. We will. Honestly, I swear we're gonna come back here. Next 11 days, you'll see me, 2 Americans. Me, I'm from the UK.
And we want you ate to entertain that.
Yeah, you have to entertain. Ate, can you do TikTok? No?
I can't dance.
Joke line. So look guys, that's another video. We've got a great resort, right? You've seen it, you know what the resort name is. I can't recommend this place enough. You've seen it, you know it's beautiful. You have to come here, okay? I recommend it. So please hit the like button, please subscribe, please share our videos, and make sure that the notification bell isn't got a strike through it, okay? Support our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Ate is so beautiful.
Oh, she's so gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Aaron, Robert Cole, Dr. Philippines, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlox, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Zarther Gregory, and Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jim Alvair, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Robert Bull, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Ryan Dawson, Albarjich, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, a Brit's Philippines destination. Big thanks to all of you.